Hey Alex, Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So what I noticed when I opened this is all of them, the headlines are all bolded. So if you want to change the color, you definitely want to take it off bold. So I'm guessing that's why this issue is happening, where you're not able to change the colors. So I'll show you an example. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a new element. Image feature, kind of like what you did with all this stuff. And I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'm going to remove the bold. I'm going to go to the settings, headline. I'm going to change it to yellow. So let's go back, and you see it's changed to yellow. I'm going to do the same thing, take it off, and then I'm going to change it to green. And then I'm going to do like this, and you see these two have changed to green. And I'm going to do this again, take it off bold, gonna go to settings, change it now to maybe white perhaps, and I see all of it turned to white. So I'm guessing that's what you need to do now. You see if I put it back on bold, everything goes back to blue as it were before. But if I take off the bold, it's gone back to white. So that's what I recommend you do again, and in this case you can just copy this, and you can come and you can put it here and put in the color that you want, and then you can do the same thing online. Go to Instad, and so just do that, where you can add the new ones, and then just do the same thing for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can color it to wherever color you want to put it to. But once you put it on bold, it will go back to blue. I'll show you an example. So you see it's gone back to blue. So yeah, I definitely don't want to put it on bold for now, because it's not working like that. And yeah, that's how it works. So let me know if that answers your question, and if that fixes this current issue for you. And yeah, bye for now. So go ahead and just recreate this once with a new one, and you can change the color and edit it to whatever you want. Okay, bye for now.